Hi, I'm Mike
And I'm Monica.
of the Mike and Monica Nelson team of Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Home Sale Realty.
Let's take a look at our featured listing.
Welcome to 3100 Coon Club Road in Hampstead, Maryland. This is a one-of-a-kind country contemporary 4-bedroom and 2.5-bathroom home on almost 3 acres and is surrounded by nature. With tranquil streams and wildlife abound, this is the property you've been looking for. The large open floor plan has nothing but living space for all of your needs. The 2-story family room has vaulted wood ceilings, skylights, and new windows to enjoy tons of natural light. The office and main level bedroom are off of the family room. A large loft overlooks the family room with a private back patio. There is a gourmet kitchen with sitting area and cozy coal-burning stove with a spacious dining room as well as a den that could be a breakfast nook with views of nature. The owner suite has an amazing full bathroom that is a must-see, walk-in closet and balcony. Outside, there are plenty of areas on the decks, balcony, and patios to relax. This is like owning your own park.
Thanks for watching.
Please go to MikeNelsonRealtor.com for more information.
Main Street Home Loans, marketing rich enough to be used by America's finest real estate agents.
Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, our contact information is below. We look forward to talking to you.